Hello friends! Today let's upgrade and bring back to life this Dell Inspiron 3521 laptop together. We will show you how to install and upgrade HDD to SSD drive, keeping genuine Windows a new fast SSD drive. To do this upgrade you need to buy a replacement SSD drive first. Most laptops use 2.5-inch drives or M.2. Please check the specifications of your computer before purchasing. My Dell HDD is 2.5-inch size. As a good price performance SSD, we bought a Western Digital Blue 3D 500GB sized SSD. While you're waiting for SSD to be delivered, copy all important information and files from your old HDD to another drive, because the new SSD will be completely empty. It will only contain original Windows. Also, clean up and save any bookmarks and make notes of what apps need to be reinstalled. Also, if you don't have Windows installation disk, then download Media Creation Tool from Microsoft website and put Windows on your flash drive. If you don't have Windows installation disk with an activation key, I would recommend finding out and writing down this key as a security precaution. This can easily be done with Bell Advisor management software. If your system did not come with pre-installed Windows and you use the retail key to activate the operating system, then finding the key is not obligatory, but maybe just to be safe. Once you have backed up all the information, found the Windows key and made Windows installation boot drive, then you can safely shut down the computer. Then disconnect the laptop battery if you can. Do this to avoid accidental damage. Find in the manual where your HDD is stored and screw open the cover. Remove it. As you can see, there's something familiar here. Unscrew the screws holding the HDD and pull out the old disk drive. This Toshiba HDD was originally in this Dell Inspiron laptop. To install the new SSD, you need to move the mounting bracket from the old drive to the new SSD. Put the drive back in place and screw it in. Also put the plastic cover back on, but be very careful, as it's plastic and not very durable. Put the laptop battery back in. Then insert the prepared flash with the Windows installation in your computer and turn it on. The Windows installation should start, which is essentially repeatedly clicking next. Everything is sized correctly there. All you have to do is choose the options you want. Once the installation has started, it will ask for the Windows key. Here you need to enter the Windows key, which you initially found out using the Bell Advisor app. If you didn't do that, you can click I don't have a product key and hope that after installation when your computer is connected to internet, it will load it by itself saying the hardware ID numbers. This should work if you have retail Windows key and replaced on your hard drives. After successfully entering or not entering the key, you will be taken to the next steps. Select the appropriate ones and next. During the installation, the computer will restart several times until it has been installed. Congratulations, Windows is almost installed. Just next process again. While Windows was installing, I decided to clean the dirty screen. New Windows, new SSD, also want a clean workspace. And we're done! You got a new, much faster computer. All that's left to do is personalize Windows as you see fit, copy back your files and bookmarks, and install the applications you use. Hopefully you now know how to upgrade your laptop hard drive to SSD. Also did a startup test. Or all Dell with SSD versus 3 times more expensive MSI gaming laptop. Just by boot speeds, it feels like it's completely different laptop. The main thing is that this upgrade is very simple and cheap. Thanks for watching. As always, we look forward to reading your questions, suggestions, or criticism in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for us risking our Dell laptop to prepare for you this SSD upgrade DIY tutorial. Thanks and